Hey everybody, welcome back to Just Jazzy. I know it's been a while. Don't eat me up in the comments and don't come for me. I had to take a little break, y'all, but I'm back and I'm better. I hope y'all have been enjoying my shorts while I have been away. I've kept you entertained by loading up some shorts every single day. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Today, we're going to make a half hoop nose ring. All of my nose rings that I make are typically in a 20 gauge thickness. You can go up to an 18 gauge if you would like to. It depends on what thickness your client wants, or if you're making it for yourself, what thickness you want. Typically, when you get your nose pierced at a tattoo shop or a piercing location, they typically pierce with a 18 gauge, which is going to be thicker than your 20 gauge wire. So take that in consideration when you're creating your jewelry or your nose ring or whatever you're making. All right, you guys, I just wanted to chit chat with you while we create here. I have been noticing some crazy comments in my comment section on my shorts. Now, I don't know if this is just a thing with YouTube or if this is just a thing with my page or what. Y'all let me know in the comments. Because when I tell you I have been going to bat with people under my comment section, because I think that people think that, oh, I'll just say anything and, it won't matter because she ain't going to say nothing back. Well, you guessed it. Yep. I'm going to do it every time because I got to say something, because some people think that they can just do that and troll and, say what they want and there are no consequences, but they are. They are. And then, not to mention, y'all be setting yourselves up in the comment section. Like, y'all be saying some wild things and I'm going to clap back every time. I'm going to eat you right on up. So don't do that in my comment section if you don't want to get ate up, okay? I'm just letting you know, okay? Secondly, I know that my art is not for everyone. Trust and believe. I know that it is an acquired taste and not everybody is going to like my design style or my creative direction. I know that. And I know that I have my own tribe. So that is who I am targeting my audience to be. Not anyone that doesn't like my art. Now, if you do not like my art and you stumble across my videos or my shorts, do me and you a favor and keep scrolling, because it's free to just keep scrolling. It don't cost you nothing to just be polite and just go on about your business. You don't have to comment. You don't have to let the world know that you don't like it. You can just simply scroll. Or they have settings in YouTube where you can say you're not interested in my type of video, or you can tailor it to your taste. Did you know that? I bet you didn't, because here you are up under my posts. So I'm just telling you something that can save you a little bit of time. Thirdly, I appreciate all my Noire Babes. That's what I call my babies who love my jewelry, my Noire Babes. Because, of course, my business name is Étoile Noire, which means black star in French. So I call you guys my Noire Babes. I love you guys. I love that you guys support me in the comments. I love that y'all leave comments under my videos, asking questions, making suggestions. I love it. Keep it coming, because, of course, I'm going to make more videos and they're only going to get better. I'm going to set up new angles. Y'all are going to see a lot more of me, my pretty face. I know y'all miss me. And y'all going to see a lot more coming in my videos, because I have a lot more heat coming to you, a lot more ideas. My website is going to be expanding. So expect some new products, expect some new videos, not just jewelry videos, because I do a lot more than jewelry. I do also crochet, I sew, I make fragrances, and a plethora of other hobbies like polymer clay. I know you guys don't see me do polymer clay a whole lot on this channel, but that will change, because, yeah, your girl is going to bring some new heat with the polymer clay game as well, because I love me a good jewelry piece with polymer clay included. I love mixed media art. So be prepared to see new, funky, fresh, exciting, trendy jewelry that incorporates polymer clay and metals and a bunch more media. So I hope you guys love what I'm going to come up with and what I'm going to show you. And I also would love you guys to leave me some suggestions in the comment section on what you want to see from my channel. Because, of course, I'm going to take it in consideration, babe. What did you think? So, yeah, let me know what y'all want to see. Because I'm just going to keep on coming with that heat. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm going to keep coming with that heat each and every time. Now, I can't tell y'all what my upcoming videos will be about because I do want it to be a surprise factor when you see the upgraded videos and upgraded content. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. But yeah, it's going to be interesting times, y'all, because y'all thought this was all y'all was going to see from me. Nope. I got some tricks up my sleeve, y'all. I got some real tricks up my sleeve. Also, I want to know if you guys are YouTubers too, because I would love to support your channels. My fellow YouTubers out there, what are y'all names? Leave a comment below. Let me know so I can support you guys. And also tell me what you do to get engagement on your channel. What do you do to keep things exciting? Or what are some tips that you can provide to a small YouTuber like me? Because a lot of times you don't see YouTubers supporting other YouTubers. It's always like random people supporting YouTubers. So I would love to see more support from fellow YouTubers and small business owners and small content creators and what have you. Because a lot of times people try to support you after you've gotten notoriety or after somebody has like seen your work and loves it and has a high profile. And I just absolutely hate that. Like, why not support while the person is up and coming? Because at least they're going to see you and know it's genuine. You know what I'm saying? Instead of, you supporting after they've already gotten notoriety and now it seems very fake. It seems like you're only just jumping on the bandwagon because everyone else is. And I never want that for anyone. I'm a genuine person, so I want genuine support. And I love genuine people. I know and see people who support me right now where I am on my YouTube. But I know that I'm going to blow, y'all. I know that my jewelry is going to take off. I know that it's going to get notoriety because how could it not? Like, it's bomb. And, I don't know if I can curse on YouTube. But, yeah, it's bomb. And I know that it's a unique style of design. And a lot of people need to see my designs. And they will. It's just taking me time. So, I'm just, doing my thug dizzle over here, y'all. Y'all leave me some suggestions in the comment section because I would love to hear what you guys think about how I can spice my channel up besides the upgrading that I'm doing currently and how I could bring new videos to you guys. Leave me suggestions on what videos you guys want to see. And what y'all want me to talk about. Because, yeah, I could talk about stuff for days. But I want to know what y'all interested in. What you really want to hear. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could do some chit-chats and some get ready with me's if y'all want to see that type of content from me. Because I could definitely do that. Because I'll be putting that when I want to. And we can do some create with me's, like if y'all want me to start going live more on YouTube, I can do that. But that will have to be a planned situation because your girl got a life outside of YouTube, so I gotta plan that. We can do some styles, like I do make bracelets as well. We can do some stackable bracelet styles, and we can create like a stack in one video. So that's like 3 different bracelets if you didn't know what a stack is. Or it's like multiple bracelets on, So we can do that. We can do whatever y'all want to do, like new nose cuffs or whatever. Just let me know because your girl is down for the cause. All right. If you've stayed this long, I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you so much for supporting me. I hope you love this heart-shaped orange opal nose ring. Love you. Bye.